So similarly, you can also do certain threshold operation. Okay, so it is basically a kind of a quantization operation, right? Thresholding, right? Depending upon the given value of the threshold, for example, a threshold, right? So either it takes one value or higher value, right? So uh, this probably gives you a kind of a binarized value of the image. So threshold operation, right? There's one threshold. So you take in the range of intensity values a value called a threshold. So you compare any value below a threshold, okay, and call the value as a0, for example. This is a0, okay, and anything above that you are going to call that as a1. So a1 is, for example, a1 is greater than a0, then you have somewhere here. So you have either two levels. A two-level image is always called as the binary image, right? So you have either 0 or 1. So I mean, thresholding operations will also help you. So you see an image and a thresholded version of the image. Similarly, the threshold image in the histogram will have only two values, either the a0 or a1, right? So it splits the histogram. Though the image has got a lot of distribution like this, now histogram is split, and all these values are grouped into this, all the numbers, right? They are going to give numbers. The total number is here. Okay, adding all those numbers here will give you this particular value. So essentially, it divides the histogram into two, and it puts into only at two pixel values.